The Vortex began with a connection of Starchild and me. We met recently and we just felt this cosmic connection, and we took a really deep dive into getting to know each other and experience different levels of pleasure and mixing both of our talents. I do a lot of healing work and I guide meditations, and he's a music producer. And then we introduced Shane, Men of Earth, into the project to create just an experience in many levels to access consciousness through sound, voice, movement, breath. So it's a gathering of magic.
The favorite part for me is that it's a different experience every time. Everybody who's part of the experience ends up kind of creating it together. So depending on the energy in the room, the energy of the day, the people that are there, the journey will differ a little bit.
And for me, my favorite part is a mystical uncertainty of where it's going to go and what's going to come next, coupled with the deep knowing of how profoundly it is affecting everybody's consciousness.
From my heart to yours, this is an experience to surrender, to just let go and experience the freedom from within you and apply that in every aspect of your life, to enjoy pleasure in every possible way, in every little thing, and just elevate yourself in a higher vibration through that pleasure.